The hidden toll of bronchiectasis. Beyond the cough, bronchiectasis, a chronic lung condition, isn't just about persistent mucus and coughing. It triggers a cascade of complications that extend far beyond the respiratory system, impacting the heart, bones, mental health, and even cognitive function. Understanding these systemic effects is crucial for proactive management and maintaining quality of life. Cardiovascular strain. A weakened heart, bronchiectasis damages airways, reducing blood oxygen levels. The lungs respond by constricting blood vessels, leading to pulmonary hypertension, high blood pressure in the lungs, in 33–40% of patients. This forces the heart to work harder, eventually increasing the risk of right-sided heart failure and even stroke. Managing bronchiectasis effectively through airway clearance and medication is vital to protecting cardiovascular health. Muscle and bone weakness. The body's trade-off, the lungs demand significant energy and nutrients. In advanced cases, bronchiectasis can lead to sarcopenia, muscle wasting, as the body prioritizes lung function over muscle maintenance. Reduced physical activity further accelerates this decline. Similarly, long-term steroid use, often prescribed inappropriately, as one study found nearly 1/3 of patients receiving them unnecessarily, increases the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Mental health. Anxiety, depression, and isolation living with bronchiectasis is mentally taxing. Over 65% of patients experience depression, and nearly 55% suffer from anxiety. The constant threat of breathlessness and chronic fatigue can lead to social isolation, exacerbating these conditions. Ignoring mental health consequences worsens disease severity and lowers quality of life. Unintentional weight loss and brain fog. The chronic inflammation associated with bronchiectasis suppresses appetite, leading to unintentional weight loss. This further weakens the body, creating a vicious cycle. Many patients also report persistent brain fog, difficulty focusing, memory lapses, and mental slowness. Chronic inflammation, low oxygen levels, and depression all contribute to cognitive decline. Studies show that bronchiectasis increases the risk of dementia, including Alzheimer's disease, by up to 60%. The reality is this: bronchiectasis is not just a lung disease. It is a systemic condition with far-reaching consequences. Proactive management, including cardiovascular and bone screenings, mental health support, and nutritional guidance, is essential for mitigating these risks and improving long-term outcomes. Sources: Jian X et al. Pulmonary vascular resistance predicts the mortality in patients with bronchiectasis-associated pulmonary hypertension. Journal of Hypertension. October 2024. Graemgna et al. The Impact of Cardiovascular Events in Bronchiectasis, a Systematic Review and Meta-Analysis. ERJ Open Research. September 30, 2024. Pollock J. et al. Use of inhaled corticosteroids in bronchiectasis. Data from the European Bronchiectasis Registry, EMBARC. Thorax. May 20, 2025. Oidatka et al. The Prevalence of Anxiety and Depression in Bronchiectasis Patients and Their Association with Disease Severity, a Cross-Sectional Study. Scientific Reports. November 28, 2023. Kim S.H. et al. Association between non-cystic fibrosis bronchiectasis and the risk of incident dementia, a nationwide cohort study. Chronic respiratory disease. December 15, 2023.